Namaskar, Khush Raho Vidya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today's our topic is abnormal pulse. So one by one, we will discuss about different type of abnormal pulse. First one is pulses deficit. Pulses deficit is the abnormal condition in which the pulse rate is less than the heart rate. It occurs in arterial fibrillation when the stroke volume is reduced. Because of reduced stroke volume, some of the pulse will become weak and disappear before reaching the peripheral arteries. Pulses deficit is the only condition in which pulse rate is less than the heart rate. Second one is pulses alternance. Pulses alternance is the abnormal condition in which the amplitude of every second wave in pulse tracing is relatively smaller. It is because of the alternate variation in the force of ventricular contraction. However, the rhythm of pulse is not altered. It is common in severe myocardial disease, paroxysmal tachycardia, and atrial fibrillation. In this diagram, we can easily see normal pulse in the form of wave, first one. After weak small volume, we can see there is a small wave, large volume bounding pulse. After that, collapsing pulse, plateau pulse, pulses alternance. This is pulses alternance and pulses vehemence. Third one is anacrotic pulse. Anacrotic pulse is abnormal pulse characterized by a slow ascending limb which has a notch called anacrotic notch. It is produced in aortic stenosis when ejection is slow. Thready pulse or weak pulse. Thready or weak pulse is the abnormal pulse in which the volume of pulse becomes very feeble and is hardly felt as the arteries. It usually occurs whenever the stroke volume decreases or when there is severe vasoconstriction, as in the case of severe hemorrhage or severe chills. In these conditions, the sympathetic activity increase enormously, leading to generalized vasoconstriction. Fifth one is pulsus paradoxicus. Pulsus paradoxus is the condition when the pulse becomes very strong and very weak alternatively. In relation to respiratory cycle, normally there is a slight increase in volume of pulse during inspiration and slight decrease in volume during expiration, but it is hardly noticed. However, when it becomes very prominent, it is pathological. This type of pulse is noticed in cardiac tamponade. It is also noticed in physiological conditions such as deep breathing. Sixth one is water hammer pulse. Water hammer pulse is the abnormal pulse characterized by a rapid upstroke and equally rapid downstroke. It is also called collapsing or Corrigan pulse. It is seen in conditions like aortic regurgitation, patent ductus arteriosus, and arteriovenous fistula. It is best felt by raising the arm of subject and holding it by grasping the wrist with palm of the observer. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.